yɛde kan update no mo adwama ɛwɔ dwumadi a yɛfa no sɛ table of the suntina no pay no yɛsan no story send update no kakra ɛnso mabɛsɔ so adwama wonim sɛ no a wabrɛ kɔba sɛ Celtic bobo kɔ no hyɛ enum ama cha so Bratislava kan mu baako no nyinaa no wonim sɛ deɛ kɔba no sɛ ɛno a wokae mɛde kan deɛ aba bɛto twa sɛ wabrɛ kɔba sɛ bɛsɛ 4 years ago ama yɛde a yɛfa no sɛ COVID ɛnso abae no wokae sɛ akɔfa nsɛm pi aba nnwom baako a na kyɛ sɛ nipa pi ane kyɛ sɛ nipa dɔm no ɛde kyɛkyerɛ ɔmo werɛ ɛnso Liverpool ɔnwom ndwom no a yɛfa no sɛ you never walk alone deɛteɛ ɛne sɛ Dortmund ɔmo gye bɔ so wokɔ ayɛ signal du no ɛwɔ Dortmund ɔmo stadium a na ɔmo nso title adu baabi ama kyɛ sɛ wowurama nso awɔ Italy ɛnso ɛne Germany ane nyinaa no ɛyɛ radio stations awodoɔ ɛne kyɛ sɛ TV stations awodoɔ ɛhyɛ time no ɛnso ɛde ma asafo no nyinaa sɛ bɔsɛ a wɔbi abɛbɔ you never walk alone nnwom ama saa nneɔma no nyinaa no ɛnso maba so ama ne yɛ kama wonim sɛ no a wɔabrɛ kɔba sɛ Celtic ɛbɔ mu game no ɛnso ɛwɔ fie latest amenya no sɛ wɔn nso di kan bɔ Liverpool nnwom no ɛnom you never walk alone ɛne yɛ kyɛ sɛ dwuma wɔn nso bɔ ɛwɔ Glasgow ansa na ɛno a wɔn nso game no ɛba so yɛnkɔ na afei yɛbɛ sɛ deɛ yɛsi tie ɛno na adwo apra you never walk alone nnwom no kyɛ sɛ no a no wɔn nso ɛfa no kakra apra ne nyinaa no ɛnso ɛyɛ heater ɛno a no ɛno nso ɛba so ha ɛnso ɛyɛ Glasgow Celtic Park ɛnso ɛnie yes, and no, I am before the game. Our proud chase Liverpool anthem. And no, I should never walk alone. Our Celtic for no woman some fear mekan nano petrol say. And what Man City for game and about our brand pa. Woman some about stadium. I little over 50,000. We better say be a fans to be a tete. We better say be a supporters out to Juma. And no, I in Tamala no supporters such as Sandra. Woman so Kakabi Omubaweno. Woman make you voice head. So Kaiser Mekacho so Refersa Ayashi Michael Peter woman in Akabisa Omo Pa so be a bow Fiedie as it dana Chasoma Queen Ama Chas opponent on one part way yet him say Champions League Gwenon Sono and your home and away as some way else I say be a bohoma walk home walk away and say when you're in Tamalan I will fear no say be only interphone bona omaba no one to me a stadium and your home style our brene woman you're friendly and so my way to me dia woman so bet me a combination chasano game no woman so about goals draw you may cross in an enra say ana Inter Milan woman supporters and so a city almost stadium no and so a fire yes, not just a no confirm story and no power bread. Yen Jumedia fans a tip off a browning nano and also confirm said and Inter Milan. Woman so supporters at Tia Stadium no and some Boston. Unum say Enra. Wabrel come out some match about so maybe a name day pano and some manager. Your fan of Pap Guardiola Enra Guardiola Kokan say what did he about Inter Bobo Quenidie? Wabianum say Inter a Tima. Woman a defender pa. Nasa Inter defender party nani a chasa uya Man City na chasa oni Inter Milan elbow na se bia bobo kweva sa Man City for no woman some that me defender say ya na chasa almost ya against us 100 baby ama chasa Inter bobo kono bra Man City for no to me press womo na so nyina chi na bobo kweva sa Inter woman some that me ji aya press no eto baby ewuram anyanya baby a woman some other ball about to ama chasa nwa woman so create opportunities ni bia nanka Inter Milan bobo no woman some betumi a Man City enra ama ye our manager for the pap no and some manage ye person day woman so etimi ball draw our enra woman so game about some dia to him say na ana omo kwa kwatwa scan woman twa scan and ye bounce akotana ye for the Kevin De Bruyne and some awon ye anase bia De Bruyne no ebe me say nyame yar ma big gamer and no about so weekend essence weekend no woman bobo kwa fans Arsenal and some other bobo sa gamer and about so Italy, woman defenders asem ene san komane nyina no wo kai owura fa no Alexandro Del Piero na Del Piero enra ensom aka Italy wo defense and one some ka sem na bi atwam no ye say ai ana say Leo Messi si ball ana say Ronaldo no asu ball na no mo shall go 50 wo mo shall go 40 wo mo shall 30 or more nyina no bra sanka eyemra bi atwam ana nka bi achese Maldini nom ene bi achese mo makabirisa ebia manko Materazzi nom amosom adro mo na so abra anka wontimi nkwasa ne ma no Italy o ade ba kupa na achese Italy man no wo mo de ball mo safo hene ensom aye Italy o mo defense asansa ye kasa Italy defense na defense aye life according to Ora ye fan sa Cannavaro na anase we Del Piero mom na Del Piero no ane di kabisa sam Italy no wo mo defense na sen ana sitia ana wo sen na anioma sisa wo de tintia wo kasa na anioma sisa na nyina no ye ntia Ora fan sa Del Piero awa bra no aye on Italy wo mo defense.
We're famous for that. And this is one of the issues that we are facing now, because you can't play that defense now, the modern era. You have a yellow card after 5 minutes. If you think about it, you know, we have different problems in Italy, but one of that is because we lost our identity as how to know how to defend.
Why would that go missing? Why would you lose that? If that's always
because
been your identity.
Because you can't play like this. It's
I see what you're saying. Okay.
I mean, we're talking about Chiellini,
it's taken away from
talking about Bonucci,
right.
You know, Cannavaro, Nesta. There's a lot of dirty work behind what you see when the ball arrives. We're famous for that.
Yes, I know your red fan is Alessandro Del Piero na just say ye can say Italy for him say Italy there. I defenders are some and ye can no now omo ye famous and some other sideline essence one way your strike can be I am Kobusa Ronaldo Nazario Mobra who could to get in abehi. Yes, I want the body you know wo bu na man ye now say enum and I say and na me no kasa Spain am I know and you make quay Edema Spain as a time na Italy omo bunya no na Spain e pass ball no e di free actually and na sa ball na ye bon aye 10 years ago and 15 years ago asem na so na ye kase sa ball na near born 10 years ago and 15 years ago na Italy omo defenders e twani pama so say omo twasere no and na obo sa ball ni bia watch our pitch na so 15 minutes we be the yellow card and also be the red card enti na obi asuro enti aba say Spain started say ye built from the back ye de ye ntwaw ye mo e dirty works and sanema no eno na men ya de Spain man no wo mo ru awiase nyina football esanse na ema World Cup wo mo je emama dia e bia Euro sani at the Olympic Games and it's just a juvenile level nyina no aye Spain and e dominate sanema no and akọ e Italy ye jo ru fa no Del Piero
but you know 10-15 years ago you can do some stuff that now is a red card, not even yellow card. It's a different regulation, different rules. And then I believe it's one of the reasons why Spain is doing so good, because they have already mentality to play the ball, and now they're winning every single tournament. Men's, women, under 19, blah, blah, blah. And for us, defense was life. Was, you know, we have one of the best defenders in the history of football. If you took the 100 best, I believe 25 are Italians.
Yes, I know again some right fancy Alessandro Del Piero Anna. What in a casa ya den accepts abanitine say ebia will rank a 100. Are your best defenders of all time out of the 100 best defenders, you know, and Muma Kuma Kobas at 25 year. I was from your Italy for our Broma ya Juma Pampao. I just sending no and some my update I so and a matches out to I was a boss and update no. Medon Sam Baba okay somebody can about to just say manager Ferguson Paulo Fonseca ono and coach AC Milan team no me de betu dwa say pressure e wono so na nyame ya duma wo mu game eba so weekend e no aye derby della Madonnina kobase bia Milan derby olusupa wo mu eba pam na eno Mike no say ai ana manager no munya botrema no ana bi otimi produce masa wo mu say ye want to dwa me kan eno asa gro me wie eno show na na afa me te say wo mu say oh masa em say where you make or break said ye me di kan ba to olusupa wo mu so pam na answer eno na jo adeba na machi ba no pani nyina no na Jeminya no say AC Milan team no wo mo pencil coaches ama akoma for bako aye dentezage me kana sam cho enra me anu aye Thomas Tuchel me ense Maurizio Sarri ana nan aye Massimiliano Allegri former coach Adama Boboku a ye fa say Juve omo nyina no omo na Jemense kan say out of the 4 enipa bako a yes o mtiri e ba say na odi Milan boys wo mana wo be ma one ball na ye fe edwachi wo be san she opponent amania ye kan say results apani nyina no enso aye coach na ye fa no Maurizio Sarri intimino kaso no ana say abesi ni so wono ana nipa pina no enso mtiri e ba so oye favorite a o we fa no Sarri e betimi abaye adwuma no enso ade ma Rossoneri sa enom kakra e ba mo se ade ba ko no say sikasam enye problem esanse na no ye no coach Boboku a ye fa no say Lazio no na wo get 3.5 million euros a season one shall no about the same amount one some other person coach no one some other man our no and so I update abama metema enwa na AS Roma omo players no one ba se ko ayesri goria akọ training say me de batu da so ma pamu coach ye fan say Durosi enwa one the announcement ba say one the adwuma no ama coach na fan say Ivan Juric ono ye adwuma afri na enwa ye kase ene na akosi nyame ya doma next year June na chasano contract no aba na wie ye na enwa onim say time cast etwam enso area to go the akọ training no Mama Lorenzo Pellegrini ono na captain adeba ko ne say Stefan Osharawi adruo no ma badge so ye wo de wo ya de ko wo ba am so wo wasa wonya de munyina mo kan bi na ma chase coach no yapam no ama chase sanyo ma no nyina no enso akọ so enwa onim say dru ba bi na ye say security no wo mtiri e ba say ayaje omo nsem te enwa wo mo say place call wo mo for reinforcement ama police wo mo van ama akoma akomienu enso ada samba Trigoria enwa ye chase nyoma ba so enwa wo mo nya backup na Pellegrini de ni wo dru na supporters ne ka chere say ya kasa ho roll glass na memra form na ba magina omo so oh ye bi se wasem keke wo de roll glass na memra form ana wo ba ketu abi wo ba form kasi a wo be show blow ma de besi ana wo also say wo say on sakran timi nkom owo ne kakra bi ana ba ko ne busa no say ana ntina mo tesa say Durosi ana coach a wo to so ma akoma ko 5 amomunti yapam no coach bi aba na okọ na mo te wo na wo captain mu hwie ana Durosi reply na say branch ever say Lorenzo Pellegrini I reply say ana ntina wo kasa asana cheme men kasa asana cheme ana o san ro ne kan glass no enso amane course wan say o room wo kona ball na akọ no kita no wo to ball kan ni mu a chese no omobu ofisa amam ya pamo omo legend na ye fa ni Durosi nti enra e wo Durosi afie wo bia wo danajo na o twetwo no ho no ye wunya no say supporters na kogu ase ho wonom awo chese soro no mu ye dede a chante manager na ye fa ni say Durosi amowura no onom ana atwiniti awo chese mpomama wonom som agene Sompa wo boje aye Roma supporters na ba so a wo mu da som ade mo support ni nyina no ensom man achese no ensom ay update about Liverpool wo mu ko so mo pa kodana ye fa no say Martin Zubimendi ama me beka unsem picture wo say akodano jememe tenesa obaba na later yabeka sa boy no wasese na adwe obi a wodene yes ama ana slot na adrum pamba so wo sell Liverpool etueska afa boy ne say ono ankasa kra onsan je ne ho ninti onyama Liverpool no yedim se bia no nim so mo noa bebi wo Sociedad ho ye start season aya kobu so oketinom Sociedad me ahwe wo mo nanu ya a chese double chance pa no aje ba kwahye no ho na emsem omo start ye enkoye no ye say afedi me nya no say anso fenu na e bossa akotan no ye say waka cho Liverpool empan for bi say wonu no ho na ono na ka so o ma fe osra say anka ekwan wo mu dia so so man crankophobia ma number 6 no obabo enti nyame ya dune adu bronya wie na eba se winter transfer market abie enom aye January wo winter no abia omo first kanamra na omo mefa na ema no ko baba aye se boy ne pacho sa fede why ready so obesina kan ensom ade amaboboku a ye fa no se Liverpool ama ni nyina no ensom aye update aba jaminya no se yes Chelsea mpana fana ka che coach a ye fa Enzo Maresca sabama yes be a conference no yenim said ye scheduling esiti and players no will be a schedule and want some sign and a matches no do so and a bemba some wo matesa say yes say Chelsea boboku no wo mum etimi ba koduru animu eko final eko je conference league said maybe a twam manager fan said Jose Ajay ema nanu ya David Moyes so the worst time and some Ajay ya Chelsea benya 20 million pounds. Omutidi said 20 million pounds no. Etimi ya nyoma pi ena ya kasai. And some our Chelsea team no mo. Etwamo so we atas our brain omusunya. Womo some abeje na Mikalo Mudrik no. Adeba kono say aye manager na fan say Roberto Di Zerbi ono ani so catch Marcel empan fan say omuntimi nyusu aye Mudrik anai. Won say 1 Jadon Sancho aba ana 2 aye Pedro Neto and so aba etu dia myself one ni Chelsea for no nkoka wonum say dia Chelsea mpani for no omon sam kaye esitie omunya difficult womon try sa akodan no womon sam adene baba ono anima pi awa akodan ni mu a wobetimi ama pi se da be ya no ensom ababua Olympic Marseille dwumadi a womon so edi wonum say should Bellingham owura bi abeti Chelsea for no to na orano ye fan Yusuf Sajad na Yusuf Sajad ono ayo bia na o come almost scoute and some adema ayebobo kwa fan sa Chelsea na almost some account one on yes one of the shannon say on monitor kwadana ye fan should Bellingham na yes Yusuf Sajad also ye monitoring one say no more you good just and crat as well what a question Chelsea pen for no yes within 4 years now on the report Emma come 62 and I'll come Chelsea in Perifono and you see me a new report no Makuma 62 6-2 Nina Korea non shoot I sign a contract no and some at the Ama Real Madrid bra one monitoring on 4 years Nina no and some ayakra what drew Manchester Bobo Konaswaya Jaminian say Omuchumadia boss and one number I just Oko Quarantina Womutron about so good news and say Mount Abai Rasmus Hoyland and so Abai Jaman said can you answer boys no Womoya available Yamaya weekend my for game Abaso Abra some abo a tricky game no report am say can say manager ne pankwadia wo some na betimi ay available and so adiama game no e bra no and some ay update aba hu sem ni nyina no ye de ama ye tefo ene anopai and some our show so afei ma men front to him say ye ko ayebobo kwava say Real Madrid na Real Madrid aswe no and then obi ya ka Madrid o team no balance na balance and come manager ne de media beto him dada makacho say Ancelotti say ono and find this solution adiama na nkwada na omo popa na nkamya so mo nyina kwakogu aye benkum so wono wono ba find this solution and na me no kasai yesem amafobia sha said the pass manager no Abaso reflected now or come back to 4-4-2. Now 4-4-2 middle no Abasamba as usual. Eduardo Camavinga no tono Oba Abrantamanus Aurelien Chouameni Federico Valverde now should Bellingham Akao Antonio 4-4-2 dia Animumiansa Mbappe Vinicius and Rodrigo. I was so many janum a sacrifice bako or the awa shemwa. When I was so many janum sacrifice maybe sir Mike must want sacrifice Rodrigo. And I'm so bad, I'm Pamono for dinner parents. Nani question I don't say go cano. See, now we are just about 2 seasons ago. Man City at the Champions League. Womache Madrid up bomb best of 4. Our city fear no President Libu Fuyaman called Pamora. Your fans are Ancelotti no and Tanya Miansano when I was so sacrificing no. Now German second says on the say. Yes, I'm a Tidia Sunday. Many Janus were yes, I didn't know and a dear can say balance. ebema aye Madrid omu team no and what omu tiri basa deba ko a aye some de and say Hendrick every bench ba na modoba ewo soro Arda Gulash enso ba wonu so modoba ewo soro anunti Jamesa kan I just say Madrid ebebo against Espanyol nyamyarma Saturday and as a Madrid ebebo midweek and aye against Deportivo Alaves emu bako report to Jamesa kan Hendrick no enso aba start na metesa Ancelotti no yese manager no senya no credit ono wonko kai sebia wei ana penalty selected take asere maybe atwam eba se Vinicius no yese manager na kasa jai ediama Vinicius and Mbappe nom enti sebia penalty ba wo mumye no betin kom our pitch no so na o ma decide sebia asomasi kobo ana sebia benten kono kobo yese manager na edi players no o mo pe ediama o ewa brandam no kasa and wei ensom a revelation and no so ba a chase ni nyina no nsem no yet amiete for players na wo susa ai ana born Dawson ana matches na Dawson nti wo abako strike no wonim say Dani Cavaya and some adana wajim Cavaya say wo diri bas adeba kwa ni party ase wo wiase aye strike ana say bia obe demonstrate e dey atwa nipa de senate wa o otene wase a wo mpe ji say bia wo soja aguno so na anton say players yaba factor mo abra mo take decision a ball na mo de ba no omo na gina pitch no so ball na sabi wo mo nyam mo a ana maba mo say mo nkona mo nkobo na mo to ana maba ya the matches ni bi account ya dinai ama se no mo schedule asia ni nyina no aye bibi on tinai e beduru ba bi wa players no aba tia wo mo aba co strike and sana and performance ni anso da ho a eno aya asema no so fro ma so ye enso adeba sansam ni nyina no ya de ema for anano pay and some our show us on him say we call a French league in my way and maybe an outcome now or more in Mbappe our your Messi our Neymar and some our Paris Saint-Germain record when him some yabaka the pansa ama omusi kasamano and some alcohol from Kakresan and Namano Kasai Messi Ekoi Neymar Ekoi Nananu ya Mbappe and so Ekoi report to me and say yes, and now Udru Aya French League in ma enya media attention. I said some years ago. Now French League enya attention our media anymore. And what he Jamesa can say one more sponsorship. And I just following yes a swate and yes be a tibia keke ate drastically. I'm just a swat to say she na a jumpa. Yes, unti ama almost sponsorship no woman kitania. You can send negotiation parnibium. Wouldn't say unti I did him. I'm a say Mimi say B Sports omu was kabia you starting now your bullying omo bobesa 1 month a French league yabono installment I was anka B Sports omu tua so omo dey cover a French league no yes best na no ka so omu tua wo kwai wa no denden so omejai because ono wo bia kwa ready say bia French league no wo be yam wo bi so ahwe ama say attention nyina no enso makwa na ekofama eno aye kakra fi oma so ye ade aba bonsa wo mu coach a flick as any and one bomb came on him say you can say physically Basa boys no why den and a Jenny at Jamo bomb and Janabasua. Yes, say I Zavi and Crawford Yanino report to me and say I am pa a so yes, so move free preseason a buy one bedroom I Barcelona and a coach a Fred team and also for the entire technical team I can hold and what check team Mumiano one my players and Ejina fa and one my technical team any doctors any chosomo makano and some Ejina fa and a Jamaican can say coach no I requesting from players no say will be a man in some Emma a backroom staff and a technical team no or Amaya Juma pa or Mama Yanya preseason a kama wow do fuse preseason one who share all their kind of cry yourself a place will be a bonus some just some performance ya jumani no and some appreciation many janam ama boys in show yeah and some other team doctors and omwa womo some near ya can say ya this physical trainers no and a backroom staff ama send money no and no and so akọ so na owura no say answer on the bouncer adwuma emano na watel amasia no obai no masa wabonsa amasia bodwuma obefa team nkwada ne bi na bi wo 15 years now ya womanya 16 years ball and nkwada ne ball any impact amasia enya enso our bouncer so no that no be kan ansem yentie bouncer coach no
when I I agree with this job. It's you have to do something with okay, we have this situation, and we accept everything. And I think also to follow this way, this path of the club, because La Masia is the identity of this club, and they can be very proud about what they are doing, about the work they do in La Masia, and you can see how many players are now in our team. So we have now with Andres and with the two cousins, we have two 16 years old and one 17 years old more in this team, and
yes, not just any impact. I La Masia as our boss, our modern so this is na many jana say. Well, when him so about to us, I odi gathered, you know, say Monday, omo scan, and then Thursday. No mo scan and Monday, no German sir can say Arsenal for them Persebia, Man City for the better say be odi gathered better because one more bought Man City, Yamiama weekendy. Now, so the minion say, Omadi at dinner is seeing, you know, yes, a brand and Ahono pa and 19 no, Ahono, Amacha. Obetene fiache enye se bia na wotwemi eno ane na wotwemi ensansem nyame amamua matno de gabetimi abofie more than 1 month a chese no enso aye update aba fei yentie coach fans Arteta wo hwe ya last season one performance e wa away our Champions League no mo na aye kama coach no yebusansa den ene o secret.
Not a choice, because if we want to be at the level that we want to be, we have to be really good on the road and at home, and there's not a choice. So we have to continue to be that consistent, get the results, especially get the performances that are going to get us the result. And in Europe, as you said, it's extremely tough. Like it's in the Premier League to win, but hopefully we can be more effective than we were last season, because especially in this competition, small margins define results, and we have to be really good at it. Well, obviously you don't know the opponents that well, and then boxes become crucial. I think at this level there are small details, small moments that.
Yes, Mezana onye.
Nyamia do mahwe any experience fancy Di Maria bibia eboko.
That's right.
Ma yentia Sompa for niemo makwa ba famra so passport so na nanopa enkomo bebre wo ho. Stay with us. Na yen preview the Champions League key games ebetima baso enanwumre. There has been a lot of requests and yebe ho adwuma de amamo. Now, before that, fancy Di Maria. Enra, there were two things be am monitor with the games na ye share, The edikan Luis Enrique the Champions League gen betima wo chiri kakra for Paris Saint-Germain. Ade a Paris Saint-Germain ehwehwe wo mu wiase na kata be project ni nyina. Ade o mo hwehwe pa the UEFA Champions League. In terms of the Gulf areas, the kind of investment on Mababe in wood Europe ni nyina no, it looks like Qatar. Ana the clown of the football projects now. Gulf areas, no, and Middle East for no investment on Mababe no football.
Sompa sports.
Onim di entia. UAE befa Manchester City ade treble. Adi league at 4 meboa. Asas waji the Champions League. Saudi Arabia ba befa Newcastle. Now the Newcastle project no etimi elevate omo at a certain standard or level they used to be. Newcastle no omunye Champions League team. Na omunye Premier League top 6 or 7 competitive team. What am I say? It gradually no omo peki omo de omo basoro. O de sa Saudi de no krampo to nchen a. There is a certain Chelsea ono ne na mo nchen a project ni nya successful farmer omo. But mo didi wo ho kakra and a new Qatar for no mo be so mu no mo ni di kan de omo se be wuro mu be bo adwuma be to players 200 million no. First project na ye nimgu ase omo to atwene. Now this is the second project omo ye. First project they felt like buying Galacticos could win them the Champions League. Omo timi kobo the final against Bayern Munich. Unfortunately, Hansi Flick team ni share omo ntimi anye. Omo tonsa most of these players ni na de omo free team nim kakra bi na aka. Neymar ko, Mbappe ko, Messi ko. Players akese Danilo Pereira mu nyina omo de omo be hihye fifi oni na eno omo nyina free team nim ye dai. Kazawa mu nyina eno omo ni team nim biem. Oma Akomo, personal Kimpembe ni Marquinhos mo. And most of these guys in the Ukraine, you can say, Omo ye French internationals. It's Omo represented club and they also our the French league anim. There's no problem. And I won't prepare some betu ko every kunum the idea. E dia ko baby fufro. And now Luis Enrique team they bought 26 shots.
Yes.
Emu be 13 and shot on target. Omo possess ball no ball more than 60% possessive rate. Echen Girona. But they were still failing to score. PSG Champions League in Ejiano. Yemfa chances misses in this annual win the Champions League. And Luis Enrique me sure say onyan sua bibia fam free. And Nyoma Kutiano at some point in his time or career after Barcelona and Oguso eye. And Barcelona did to ultimately the Champions League there was Lionel Messi. There was Luis Suarez and there was Neymar dos Santos Jr. One, there was a lethal striker within the side, which is Luis Suarez. Number two, there was a lethal creator within the side, Lionel Messi. Three, there was a lethal dribbler within the side, Neymar dos Santos Jr. And among Omomi and Sani, and almost high creators, Omomi and Sani has high goal scorers, and Omomi and Sani has also good dribblers. It's a real season now. Barcelona the Champions League in 2014-2015. No, fancy. Now Lionel Messi share 10 goals. Neymar share 10 goals. Luis Suarez share 10 goals. Oko assist na. Na ye Andres Iniesta and Lionel Messi. Any Neymar mo. Anana achewo. O free Barcelona no kofa the Spanish national team. Onya team bia ombema no lethal goal scorers, lethal dribblers, lethal creators, and now combine no menya ne miensa nyina. It is the teams ni betimi possess ball wiase nyina no, but when it matters most they can score.
Yes.
Enra Gazaniga mistake. Ana ball no kura. Ne sase ene koto na etimu. Okwa World Cup no mistakes no ye no still na he has not learned from it. Okwa World Cup no on first striker more, on first striker onim go show Luis Enrique si derby.
And Rana attackers no more na wasteful in front of goal. Dembele, Randa Colum won a glorious opportunity.
Luis Enrique si derby
went begging
against Morocco. Team be obesity deep be and Luis Enrique finds it difficult so very in this game no. And Morocco find the way. And now Girona in certain moments in the game, almost transitions in the crowd they were slow and they did not pick the right passes. It's one team made the strike and no one said that no. And I didn't continue. Yamfa win the Champions League. Odi ano to charge. Yeti America say win the bad. They saw the bad champ 2014-2015. Medical players or Mojo for the past decade. 2015-2016, Real Madrid had Cristiano Ronaldo. Had the number of goals or them are almost. Even in the 15-16, Omoni Atletico Madrid in the board the final. Why Anana the leading striker at the Atletico Madrid as at that time and no more goals. Antoine Griezmann. Obi. Uber moving on 2016-2017. Real Madrid best had the Champions League game against Juventus. Juventus boss our final ni na Juventus eni abreko do sa final na one Carlos Tevez. At some point in time there was Mario Mandzukic. O striker and there was still Cristiano Ronaldo. In a 2017-2018, almost a Liverpool. And now Champions League na to aso miensa no. There was a certain Garibel Cristiano Ronaldo most our team. Liverpool no wine, no Roberto Firmino, no Sadio Mane, Sompa, no Mohamed Salah. Oh wine.
Okolomwani.
You see, people can make a case say Tama no more Messi, Neymar, Mbappe, no more three quality players from Wentimi Anje. I would say that was the most unbalanced Paris Saint-Germain team I've seen in terms of individual quality and players. This time around, much lower power. Much lower. In Fifi, no more enough quality. Na ni mu hono na aka. That is why now I'm pushing for Victor Osimhen. I was one person I was so much enthused about that move. San Komunya Victor Osimhen. Born in the coach no more bono. They need lethal strikers. They need lethal creators and they need lethal dribblers within the side.
Because what the Suarez Kwaje 2015.
In 2020, no crown fancy. Yeah, the Champions League free himself for Bayern Munich. Now one another Bayern Munich striker. And Lewandowski. So these things They need to start working on it as soon as possible. Gonzalo Ramos, no bet me the Champions League as number 9 na. Omuna kasa no match den little striker. Apart from Zlatan Ibrahimovic on only free one koe and Cavani. Omo den bi. That is where they should need to get into the market as soon as possible, quickly. I don't need to say a lot of things about Simone Inzaghi. He is there. Top class. It no matter there. The results I see, it was not surprising at all. But Nouri Sahin gets his first win in the Champions League as a coach. As a player, we saw what he did. I'm here to look at a Borussia Dortmund player, Betima Befa club, and as an old player to do something in Demusonko. But not getting it. And no, but home in Timinya, 2 goals at the Momo Place Ugurasi. It is a good start for Nouri Sahin. They possess the lot, created enough, but this is not a competitive game. Me person they tested the pulse. Going forward, no, I want to see what Nouri Sahin is going to give to us. But yamre in the games in the because no, and we have me pa. Say the games in the about so I am free FC Barcelona and Monaco. See Barcelona and Monaco. I'm looking forward to what Hansi Flick has up in his sleeves against these clubs in the Champions League. Champions League format, we say no points are over here to qualify, no, as the top 8, no. When Yakrana also Timinya bear 12 to bear 15 points to help you push. Now among the top 8, the what drop your background, ebi a 10B, ebe to me the waba be track at no. And yes, our best aquacobo playoffs. Already now, Kasana, there is a lot of fixture pile up here complaining about the fixtures na be. It is a qualify one time. The number one why day. I'm more relaxed. Nya afina aquacobo playoffs be. Adebakwe ma Xavi Hernandez say drum rebini na basa for heni 2-2 no. Any league ne nkwa the Champions League and the things that happened. Especially when lose or lose tia Paris Saint-Germain. Our man to qualify for the next round of the Champions League. That year no, Mike was so much optimistic and not telling me so Basa team now. Now was committing me the final of the Champions League baby no monam. Because no route ne ye. Maybe a Paris Saint-Germain go fire or moted down went to me the final. And Hansi Flick added the treble the Bayern Munich. And there's so much expectation around him for the team to perform in the Champions League due to the experience he's having. And it starts tonight against Monaco. Okay. And it is very important to start on a very good note. Monaco, this season, Anka so almost 30 league, and out of the 4 games, Omu Lusuba Hokra. Omu we need 3 at Drobako. Good players, Minamino, Mbolo, Denis Zakaria is having a very good season with Monaco at the start of the season. And the entire member of Munina said, one Minamino offers you the technicality you need from your number 10. Mbolo is strong enough to face off against your 2 defenders. And Zakaria gives you the physical presence you need in the midfield. Basa Bekon is saying they need to rely on how quick and adapt to the way Ometimia hitting them on quick breaks. Good to see Mohamed Salisu this evening. But Yamal, Rafinha Mudi, these guys are good enough to give them good results. And I'm taking Robert Lewandowski to score. Barcelona to win either half. Robert Lewandowski to score anytime goal scorer. So on the betting.
Boys and I say they was Barca Shema boys.
Oh yes. And Robert Lewandowski to score anytime goal scorer. Atletico Madrid ain't me spending 200 million euros and about Champions League in Fremuntem. At some point in time, they've spent some amount of money and they've still managed to play the final twice. They have one of the most experienced coaches in the competition. Wakofa Kono Galaga, Wakoto Soloth, and then what Jahemoso Munina Kwame Omoko. Wakofa Julian Alvarez for 95 million euros. Untimi embema any excuse. And if they want to start, they have to start on a very good note and get the results. But Omuye Tima, Bijutumi say ene Atletico Madrid to win either half. Anytime goal scorer for Atletico Madrid for either Antoine Griezmann and I say Alexander Soloth in this particular game.
What Mr. say, Mr. Wadu?
Fancy now, but Celtic fans no more to You Never Walk Alone.
Yes.
Or the Celtic back. Mr. Ose video no ha Sharak bet me as Hanswabo.
Sompa Sports.
When You Never Walk Alone. Celtic for na omo to uomo home game. Of course, it is so because since 1966, it has become a pre-match ritual. Say home match be a Celtic ebebobo Europe. Home match be a Celtics ebebo ewo Europe.
Yes.
Omobo enyum way ansana omasha match na say a reminiscent of what Liverpool do before every home game. Inti similarities inside the two teams use the same anthem. But difference woman is a Celtic use for home European games and a Liverpool using for home games. But how did this come about? Enyum way na ankasano. Two teams in a new biadia. Oh, you never walk alone and you Liverpool, yeah. It comes from 1945. Mm-hmm. Good. Now, in 1945, it is a song by Rodgers and the Hammerstein. A carousel, and a fantasy, a year theater drama. Naya the Nyom Diafra, and a certain storyline, Naya tono in melodic air form, and I say with a certain rhythm. I didn't admire it. When the first ever You Never Walk Alone. Good. Now there is this Merseyside boy, a friend Jerry Matson, Omote band. So in 1963, Anna Jerry Matson, and ne pace setters band, no, and so Kokoto, the one that Liverpool use and other clubs have adopted. So Jerry Matson no onye on the band in here. Jerry Matson na onoden nsa egu ne bose na wa fin ne se kakra no. Good. On the band no motoe. Then when they sang the song, Ofri Merseyside, Ofri Liverpool, then there was Bill Shankly. So oko submete nyom no edema Bill Shankly say oh yeah artist ne band ni omo nyomo omatwani enti ebe ya nka ono so ntie bi na or the recommendations in Idiaba. Bill Shankly loved it. So after listening to the song and everything, he fell in love with it. And so as a way of promoting the song, and you're making a way to the top charts. And every match be a Liverpool bebo of Fabiano. The oye DJ it was
Sompa Sports.
But it is played first because I'm about top 10. Into about top 10 now is about the first song, not last.
Okay.
Into when na top chart for 4 consecutive weeks, no born last. Now Liverpool for the few say, oh, ya nipa, and wa bonyum na nyum ne so trendy. It is a bianca kotoko hana paluta ya nyumbi. Na kotoko for say adopted Kim Paluta nyum no. Enti ye be busted book game bia obaba yara. Ye be book Kim Paluta nyum na nsani we na do stage bi na omo monyum na. Afe na supporters na nka say bisa. Enti bia ekoye mama we de ekoye na kodoko fanafa enti ebo home game bia we de ekoye mama say DJ na monyom ne pe almost supporters na nka say to ekoye mama ana bekao. So this is how Liverpool adopted You Never Walk Alone, and it's been so from 1963 at the Eba. Now, why Celtics? There was a particular game in the Cup Winners' Cup in 1966. Now Celtics and Liverpool and Ebo. Celtics want to call away, Amoko Anfield, and then Liverpool played the song. But between them, Bill Shankly and then Jack John Stein, on your coach, the Celtics, no more now for 4. So they shared a certain similarities. And as part of passing knowledge, so Celtics adopted the song from that particular engagement in 1966, and it has remained so since. And the two clubs also more some kind of relationship. Why? Because in 1845 to 1849, there was the Great Famine of Ireland. Now that Great Famine, it was led to a friend of the potato famine. Now, a lot of Irish people were dying. Then they moved to other countries like Scotland. Now, there was also the mass migration and now the mass immigration of Irish people to the US. Liverpool, now a dock, a harbor, and the ships about. So when the ship traveled to the harbor now, Irish for the by Liverpool, like 1.5 million people. No more buy so almost be full ship no be North America. If you want to believe what I'm telling you, read about the history of the people of Boston. So called Boston, Massachusetts, or USA. Irish for no more Irish lineage. Boston Celtics basketball team, tracing the root. It comes from Irish origin. Celtics, check it. The emblem of Boston Celtics and the emblem of Glasgow Celtics. Glasgow Celtics, so a Irish priest in a tear.
Okay.
Glasgow Celtic, they also call Lano. It was an Irish priest, or not a Catholic, on the tail a year way, no more just for charity. It was for the same reason. Yeah, the very resistka near their support. Your more comedy or Ireland Chromo. That was in Scotland. So there is a link. Boston Celtics, Glasgow Celtics, need our Irish background. And it is how 1.5 million people know mu two coin from Ireland. So person mo US. Baby almost mo beto mo no makobo mo brano. Ebi beka Liverpool. Yeah, ebi beka Liverpool. So even among the Liverpool fans, may the banner be to Mumash Shadrach. Liverpool fans or Mukita banner. You will see that on match say Irish blood, Scouse heart. We are Liverpool.
Okay.
So a lot of the Liverpool fans or more Liverpool Chromono or Munchi Efi Ireland. And Scotland, Celtics Boboko, so Ireland for no mute. To Wombeshia, it is like a fraternal relationship. And it's a found you use why it's a no animal. A different country. But you feel we belong together by blood and we are connected
Sompa
by a beautiful song. And then you win Ankasani
can't come out.
Me see a ride is a religious song.
So born a signal you do and make you waves.
Okay.
2010 about 2020 2021 22 I quite remember stadium now.
This is in
ball radio stations near Adinja.
Where 2003.
Okay.
Jerry Matson and when you san into way another Liverpool game UEFA Cup.
I know we invite you no.
I'm gonna Celtic Liverpool nebo. I know mama Jerry Matson but into way Liverpool fans. Exactly.
Oh okay.
Into omo nhia nkontokwa.
Me enti stadium there na Jerry Matson na also be perform here na kakra. And out your voice in the crown in there. Okay.
I'm not making it, but they say be a Man City for Blue Moon. When say Jedu Blambule,
I say jazz. Blue Moon Ambule.
Jedu Blambule or Man City anthem nibi.
Yeah.
I want a certain medley. Success is a failure, turn me inside out. Even so, no, we are about to Blue Moon. Blue Moon, you saw me standing alone.
Zanke bi Jedu Blambule. You know, Man City for fast.
Exactly. Almost to the way. Oh, that could make pen number by Bachel. I think that me will fear. One of those power for Mobi or Metri be the bro. So the beautiful aspect of it is that the song connected them and reminded them of their past, their roots. But it brought them together. So Celtics and Liverpool have this kind of a fraternal relationship. And then boom it makes it all beautiful. And Celtics funny too. And in fact, this particular song, fancy, 12 football clubs now adopted. Now we can't Dortmund. In Germany, Mainz new fan for you. TSV 1860 München. Former Bedipeli team, no you see. In the Netherlands, SC Campo, Feyenoord, FC Twente, you see. Even in Japan, FC Tokyo, you see. Ultra football now, ice hockey. There is an ice hockey club in Croatia and an ice hockey club in Germany. You see. So it is a song that permeates every corner and transcends football. And it is connecting a lot of people because of the message it carries.
Okay.
Ya wanyoma mienua ewa nyomhua etumetwi nipa na koma. Baako ye the rhythm ana baako ye the lyrics. Open rhythm na open Gangnam Style exactly. Then open lyrics na baako nie. So the song the lyrics no now was egu. Me hu obi a wetie nwum we ya. Especially
with the fans
exactly. Football no, it comes with a soul and a spirit. The inward part of football is the soul. The innermost part of football is the spirit. Enti busy football and nyakwa because the idea train a dozen. Enti it has a soul and a spirit. Amra money or more tete soul. Our Bible, mo ye Fred Dave so made. Ombebon senku ni a rhythm it will calm the spirit down. And there is a particular reason these football clubs have adopted anthems before see a bebo match. No, it is to awaken their spirit and set them on a certain purpose. Well, and this is beautiful.
This song can even heal broken heart. That's why we don't cry when we lose. As always, we will never walk alone.
Originally, the song is for a broken hearted. And your football nyom. A broken heart. Original no Rogers. Now my name's Obi the way baba. But Rogers and the Hammerstein, you know. It was about Obabia Nikunu ewo ne ho sekan awewu as part of the drama. Enti Nikunu no ekọ heaven. Ana Nyankopon man say omra no mehwe nechi. Enti oba a obehwe nechi no. Na ene ye say otonyom no ntimi ntonyom no. Enti Nikunu ne saman na to che ne say you never walk alone me kan ho.
Nikunu ne saman.
Exactly no to a che ne say me kan ho you never walk alone. Enti omoba no graduate nikunu ne saman beto ase obeto di ache ne yere no as part of the drama series.
Okay.
So the song actually relates to a broken heart. Enti to me rasa no.
Was a fancy. In fact, the song has entered me rough. My body is doing me something B. I said, wow.
But I mean, a time now. Ademola Lookman, briefly, bear 2 minutes. You see, Minya too. Okay. At times, you need to grow out of your comfort zone. Octavio Spencer, American actress, we really bear 36 medals. Awards, sorry. When him so our dyslexia, our word problem, already are there on channel. But how is somebody suffering from dyslexia able to win 36 acting awards? She grew out of her comfort zone. Similar to the story of Ademola Lookman.
Mike,
he has grown out of his comfort zone, but it's not just that. Other factors be and so on.
I want to mean because very educative. I was saying, it's in a well, you need Bafu Polo. Me so be the message about say or Bafu Polo contact utie or ha. Well, my crank the Bemonti TB and then was shiny Bafu classics, lapel tops and then down. Now, BBI find it. Oh, okay. I can't remember my Mr. Momrana, and say be a more activity in the way lapel, no, Mr. Lapel tops and then down was our ball and lapel and tea. Cocorene for mammy, real quick. Now for young Coso. Okay. Aye. Sabi I could. Okay. Well, no, so yeah, fine. And once we wash it. I all Buffalo classics, lapel top, and then the down. And I say, and no. Oh, okay.
And classical lapel tops and downs, and no any. Na asana be kwaso no nchia kese efri Bafo Polo asoye ene Bafo classics asoye eba magana man ba bibiara Sompa ahwefo wo bia na ase Sompa etiefo kokodru bia no ende enchia kese efri Bafo Polo ne Bafo classics asoye eba ma obi biara na ye kan se Nyankopon to obi ara botom se de da ye kan no because se bi hye obotom a sa akode be se wetiti se bi edwanti penfo emfa nchame na ne nyina ne se enne no Bafo Polo eguso ye ton ye ntare no ye packages no eda so ho no ma ye adwuma kama and then ye gold package no e wo ho ye platinum package no wo ho ye silver package no wo ho and ye diamond package and ni nyina so no e wo ho send no fire numbers no na place call and na say o chat yen on WhatsApp last week enko for chat yen WhatsApp na no na e fekeke na kama and how home be friend be e mane be call busy me say file phone no save lines na your screen na se no who save here now what type hi Bafo Polo kindly send me available designs na Bafo Polo ebe send you available designs na won so atimi anya bi ato fancy your numbers no 0249
what 0249
600 789 afi 0599 899 919 said be kan ye lines mi enu nyina e wo WhatsApp so fa na what type hi Bafo Polo send me available designs Bafo Polo yen sales point no e be send you available designs now so make you choice who make you choice we are what the size aka ho ne aye ne kama the amount last week me ba ha na be kan say enne no se o frɛ Bafo Polo ana WhatsApp Bafo Polo se o pay entire ni bia se wo ye no before 10 a.m. on sabe Canada no a wo ye ni before 10 a.m. on sabe Canada no a afi so wo ye after 10 a.m. and so on sabe Canada de chie enne no Bafo Polo yes contemporantem ene no oda ya na won se kan obafo polo na won so atimi dia kodi onpontuo bi a odi di ana bibi biara pese odi ye ene eguso e serve in social organizations ye serve in corporate institutions it is all tanyuma koemu na pese wo ne bafo polo di sa woso a freyen ne ebeba ana se ebemu aba ne ani wo di sa woso kama kama na bibia e kama schools are not left out bibia e koso kama kama na fancy last week me promise Ghana for some party for ne some power for say and me the Buffalo classical wears ba and then ye launch a new Buffalo classical wears in lapel tops and downs and ye kaftans na ye dia bedwa so no enye easy we ye ni sketch
bi no ahwe
ebi na machine
okay
ebi na machine yen classical tops
we dey have say pao
so atiase we no and then no me satare wie ya no fancy Mickey na me feel say nka me what say New York or baby me what so atiase me tip ship bisu na me cruise so na me sada stairs na ekoba say na from me bom me say so atiase
we are not changing
Buffalo classics enko na be ma sa kind of feel one says so the western world omo 4 weather types bagana ha de abri bia wiatimi bo ye wo yen summer time enti lapel wears no abama Africans abama Ghana
munyeshe
so atiase na de wo kan twema adwena ko bibi so ene say ene lapel wears no abana abu ura online ya uhu bi sa manfo no tonton bi ni ade but me tuufo enkonkoto lapel we bia wa motuo mu be fa wiaso ba ko mienu wa motuo mbetim fifire afi wo ko wase ho ko mpuntuo wiaso ba ko duro na sabio oho yinka ana bibi Buffalo classical wears yen lapel wears ne de enframa fem kama ya pam ne bola exclusive se ne o hia u look it say big papa ana say big sugar daddy no enye easy Buffalo classical wears no ye ma ne kama se shade wo ho a onfa video no nto akire ne yen hwe sane yen lapel wears no ene yen kaftans no esitie na fancy wonim say yen kaftans no so yen kasa ne ahye da draw enya si akowia ade no de free baby yen kasa ne ato e bo ase adwidwi we a wo hwe eye holy cross on wine de wo hwe eye golden zigzag on navy blue so atiase ne bia no din no e won kyerase unse ye de yen fa bibia makwa de hyami na hu won fidie si eye beach blue on sea blue what you see we paint on peach so what you see we no anu ahye on saka bia baby a obetimi de akwa amana efe yen classical wears no we fully registered so what you see anu ahye pocket we unhu bi wo baby a pocket we unhu bi wo bia sa star we ankasa no unhu bi wo baabia se wonne wo frɛ Buffalo polo na wo gine bi mu a wo da bi wo de wo size ana say wai maye ne ye ne kama de mawa I'm telling you baabia wo be pie bia no wo ankasa wo be hu say yes wa sha atare pa atare a wo sha na hage wo ankasa Buffalo classics ene ye de sa antare we e de abre Ghana for say monsom na monhye na mon fan komon ponto fan di mudwumadie biara mpese mudigi weddings adorings ya ye for events ya ye for social ya ye for corporate enti sane ponto no sitie bia na apese okobia no obetimi anya bi na wo so ahye ede akọ ye numbers na mensa masisu bi fancy e bia na obi pentama koye ne bibi numbers no 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 Afe 0599 899 Sadi waso safa kwa echire ho mienhwe yen 3 piece no amentre Ghana man ne Sompa tiefo ne Sompa hwefo ade esan se wo hwe yen 3 piece ya anu ahye tu be poso wa ha anu ahye we unhu bi wo ba bia we eye handcraft ankasa wo hwe Buffalo polo eagle yi so wa bie ne ntaban da so na de toaso no symbol toaso ye dinkra hene sanne no wo phone a hyeda kogogo kwahwehwe edinkra hene asechire ye bi akwa
ana me hu ginyame
enso toaso so wo hwe ginyame enso a ewode ye eno so ka afei the third symbol ka ho no ubetimi screenshot na wo de wakọ online na wakọ akwahwe ye enum nyina asechire na wo say yes wo hye Buffalo classical kaftan third piece agbadaya wan kasa obehu say yes wa shatare anu o hye na ba bia obepie bia no ye be heli say wa woni oga no wa woni Bafo Classic no nyame nhira Ghana man na mokoso anto Bafo Classics monfa numbers na monfrɛ ye numbers me bobon de chatwo 0249 600 789 afei 0599 899 919 Bafo Polo yes the new normal afei Bafo Classics yes a class for the classics it is only so a classic menjeja ho ye nentem na friend numbers na access chatting on WhatsApp na any nisa was on near Mount Irene be now so it look very classic.
Well, yeah, I say Bafo Polo, and no, and Bafo Classics, and so a fall under Bafo Polo. Until I tied any bina or penny a shea at the abandoned friend after mon place more orders, no, mon pick the numbers on your screen, now more establish a contact. See enough for Monje, Modia, yes, until you better so penny, ya twice your Buffy. Now, stadium, and once and some stadium open, ya more update our tip of on a swan of fee, and ya babish, Massama, I am my Kababe boy, you crow catra, na yet ye. Update on before say yebeko abame kamfo wallpapers no and blind curtains ama on the OP na OP so say yanka chow say wallpapers no normal ones ni bi wo ho and no colors ni emfedi empopo what the farm down so farm hot and afa 3D wallpapers aba and then the blind curtains are a mad decoration afa boama chase colors and designs are opening na dodo bi abehia bia no and also OP emmo bi and the blind curtains no doors and our best lamps obenya best spread at your call hotel sene aya guest house how do venning you know what to be about a dudum TV backlight or the box flash screen achi aya self-filling light and a dear you find a plastic courtroom center carpet and the fuses and the wall clocks in nyoma or the best yes you them and so OP and chain and doom PZ nana kwesi Ajman Brown so na mu na abehuno and our chronom barrier on the market and a D and share 0540 353750 kwabena foro ono so say bra na ne hono maka cho se wo pebankunum ani fufuo ne nkwan papa bi se wo de ne ya betie na wo pa abomode enso be kwabena foro we no de tiane se wo do dwumade se bia wo ye wedding wo ye engagement wo ye party sa do bia program bi ana keep fake clubs ana se kuo bi mo ye na mo program na se wo fufuo hot one e wa bra bush meat enkwa na mo ba wi a mo ne kwabena foro enso enkasa betimi alcohol enso akodidi aplesi wo orders and dwumade ne nyina no wo be ni simple ama chese bush meat no akrantia nom ne chese wo twennom ene adoa fei e bana kokkohwede no mane nyina no otombi e wo ha chese nkwan nso edepa kwabena foro eye aduane no e wo 3 day ayinfinachi wono ma pe 0599 503609 nane kwabena foro enso enkasa ye den wa ba quick as I say ye nchekra ye beba sesia na aba beto aso na ye aba bedim komo ye ba short commercial break.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedwumadi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye finish scaling and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi wo kasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchenwa na wodru enkan so ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free total filling station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
And not to him.
Not everybody should see about Queen Wayne say.
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fearful, and Nadia about ever so.
Really, don't this offending now.
Bra, some make us a midi time about Mr. Huadancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your map or bar waffle fruit, dear one map for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answered.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be at any ziva a woman. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a namu. FDA aji a judging crotway at home.
Abusaka Kabi will have made out to Nara, who said, woman said, about Fracket 2 years academic. It's the African Spider-Man, the mayor of Fracket to him when any problem here. Then the big cost for Nuti coming when you go ready, won't be. African Spider-Man and Baby say Bob of Faith, but preoccupying who's African Jack, what Baby say Bob of Faith, now secret grano, anything. Imboost herbal mixture, and only me secret. Now me yet to know how form. And a police me do what dance and say, many namin sonshare, namin soeno, a boosting immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental bread. Meet me the come on. I'm going to come with home so a cost of your class. Metayale, I'm my latitude, meaning about. And yet, never saw her. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going? I'm a cratching.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture, our pharmacy, and answer herbal shops. A pin for any Colombian if you do me. FDA aggregating katwe atu.
So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers, at decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say perhaps a hoto. Baby Bia Wian wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Afro. Yaman wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A band of bedside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out Nina. Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweho. Say open LED backlight. About flash screen here and also OP Ebemobi. So self ring lights, outdoor phone bishim, OP wallpapers, and Ebema self ring lights. OP Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building Nemu, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom or barrier on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale and also retail, any OP, any in South free OP, our 0540 353750.
712 hash.
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hitting fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed drugs every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now, here is to you. Your next big win is right here. From 1st July 2024, dial *712 hash. Tickets as a group, individual, to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712 hash.
Voted by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. T&Cs apply.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Binaunumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono. Wonwa and at the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bejaso. Akra wenye mfisia dumienu enumbi. Wapinfo eni oba wama akranufo enso enumbi. Time HH Heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA adje ejwadien kratue atum.
Hey, Super AC Bro!
5
sense so never wa hoto enyi peyo emra ye wo mu high sense AC na yenya abote aye said de be ya efetumi Ghana show no high sense de woto a ye di free factory ne de be so fees in sometime ye da sukra ya mamre ni mu eche efo aye papa na ntwe nyinam kanea ade ba ko a e wa high sense AC ho a e ma mani je ho pa no eye gold face and copper pipes na ye di aye no e na manu nti no e ma AC no anwe na ache said de woda ni tie bia gidiba ejina ne na so 4 in 1 photo na e wo mu no oh me from a Koji 23rd September October 28 6 days per Madam High Sense air conditioner but it is to say who High Sense air conditioner your split and your floor standing me enu nyina ubetumi ato the standard and the inverter room how Neko High Sense showroom bia Neko Jodie High Sense everyday prices for everyday people.
Hey, Nako, Nak. Hey, na he fan a man for GP and the aircraft binum so tete fasui. Hey, sickers, nonte, and na clinic a doctor who can come edano. Ah, doctor no be sure yalia just one who moja kunana. Eh, no crepa. Doctor, say feni who pa. Alternate. Hey, Doctor Usu can come as na obekaniha. Na me na wonyon so mu ha o mechiremu prostate problem. Doctor hwe no, ema wotimi dwonso e. Oyiwa, doctor sanso say yade bi ti say hepatitis B and C mechire brebu mu yade, diabetes si chire yade, pressure mechire moja broso. Enam yade bia doctor tenete. So me masem entimi nkoyi empo so obema no ewu kra. Wo ba doctor say fa garlic ba ko pe ebra. Na obema wo ye bema asanso atde wo mpem. Say eya akoma yade. Fibroid, kidney and liver problem. Oba unu kunu apia wa ansumu nyabie. Wana owo entini ni dompemu hawo. Minua no mema wo pese mo bema eya kese. Ene minua kire me bia doctor so ewo. Ye kumase atianse ebrem ahemfie ne soro ho a Daro Salam school no enchempe. Fred doctor tetefu so 0599 311 311. NAC Clinic, we bring your smile back to you.
Wo yemre na fe yemeram enso ewo fie na yemfa fie de no enso emra sese ana manya fela bi se Mike meso bra na bebo mi kro kakra bia no pa feles na ano o hye pa sese Nas o say Cape Coast stadium no Sharak mame pictures and videos ni bi after sound open here so ref and say Frank Boy green grass technology open here call Cape akodi be say na otwemi enu ano say Mr. President everyday bad I'm say bibia be fine pitch no 80% I'm say betimi adru 100 amanyoma omo water pap apart from ensu ana toni nyina no na sprinklers and so Cape Coast sports stadium and air function kama sprinklers ne fan the fabunkum rum kobe water grass so nyina na chese omo say on a day Ghana be board the next game against Sudan say bia say basa say komono course bia president and Kasabere request say inspection team member inspection no say ba omo gide say bia Cape Coast be ready a day ama yem Black Stars NS game I was say no and so baso inti eno enso no yes I know yes stadium and are still on stadia Benjamin Kesse MC and so trust NS no we their incompetence. Okay, intina mo makwa jensafo no wo yentie ayora Benjamin Kesse on the entia ayeta stadium no o makwa jensafo na free the NSC enso ensem
o mani baby no was authority wa kwa sports stadium wa hede nti after commissioning the nyama we bra akodo obebo super cup wa ha pinto whatever cup ya ka bebo whatever wa ha na I want to walk park no. Sure that I need not tell you. They have taken huge sums of money from organizers of those sporting events, but the reverse is the case. Sikana waje no. Won fan ye eduma wo park no. As we speak, washrooms are not functioning. Pipes are willy, everything is bad. The grass itself is dying. as we speak, it is Mosparka, Mediema Sporting Club, because they are the users of the facility. No, why should it happen?
Yes, na chese honorable Benjamin Kesse MC. So chese ya kase ya takwa pitch no kra no grass no she aron because nso onsam edim pa washroom ashase yinka a chese nyanka ketwa anti baby so liki emora magic bar kra so confirm ye ho enti ha adwen pa na honorable say yanka nche ya Ghana mamu nyina say TNA stadium no ye public and as enya public funded na say mo tax esika na de omo na ye omo de na je so mo stadium yentie confirmation from honorable
first foundation na we see stadium foundation no or trust fund na what the gis no na what they develop operational areas are go first where you do ma enti no go TNA park no onye public funded sports stadium. Tidema Esipwa. Tidema Dompe Mastrotel. Tidema Sanai Astrotef na what the public funds what is here. And you know, sir NSC, if they are not selective, Kabadistan they should be managing the Sanai Astrotef. They should be managing the Dompe Mastrotel. That is public funded sports facility.
Yes, na House of Folk Kunsonya the letter kwase womo J University of Ghana stadium nya no so na ba renovate na mo one way. Ti has letter in the na confirm say omo dey akoto mpanifo no so mbe so use Legon Stadium no mo adopted to say the be house omo home na won so kwanya no ntia say renovation say koso ntia no so kwa no am say omo close it down now so omo close it down so enisa now Dr. Ogum anopen so me say asandoro ko cycles no bounces was say womo dey call oboase in and out am say na 60 Ghana cedis na say born e form o kwa no ba dey san da so just less than 25 minutes munya police motor bi no prenu mu kakra bi ama mo ye kokoben kwan mu a na se korokobe drop boase na jifi enti mo nche kra na Dr. Ogum say wo frɛ eye fans ni nyina sa mo mra na mo me support eye team no e boase for ene just dance eye man ni nyina mo mre na mo me support Asante woroko wa breni wo mbebo omo home matches enso e wo boase.
Even though we are going to Obuasi, I know the typical Kotoko supporter who really loves Kotoko will travel and come to Obuasi. And mind you, just as a reminder, and I think you know it already, if we go to Obuasi and we do well, still these supporters will travel and come there. They don't care about the distance. Once Kotoko is playing well and Kotoko is winning, wherever you take Kotoko to, our supporters will come. But then if we were to have our own, if we were to play here or we were to have our own stadium and were to play there, when it comes to revenue generation, most of the revenue that will be accrued will come to us.
Yes, na chesa pesa say edidi kwan wa sasanro ko wo bona wo shy and found baby amokwa ko mo matches supporters ne beba eno aye said the ref fan say Ogum ede ne nsem na etudwa imbuster ba me chano aye police ni edro makatro sa droi wo to na free box ma ya hwe ni tini so ye de cap kuma bi de susu ono na de besusu na wano mienu anopa mienu anwumre beboa ama chesa malaria na edunya fei fever na ba so honam aye omre honam no no woten kasa onum pe no kasa no etutu wachiri bremo wachiri kasa udwonku waposo abaso no kotodwenem etutu sasabro na ba police ni edre no ene bedi wakagina mu ama honam no so anya na hodem mapa yare imboost pharmacy aba hono makacho say wholesale enko a enti adro bia ya bibidro adro bia ya brofudro a waten nka bia so wupebi enso atu atonko ade a eye imboost pharmacy ena wo sa wokọ ode opekra ha ho ma ofra ya be package amon saka no dudro bia be say onso oto offenso kode na se kuma say ya kode offenso kwan ne so number ne 0246 20 8496 and a Qualitac Dental Clinic and so bepau na waduanum eni wanum ebe sham wosi achinam aye kan se gam ebenya hoden wosono ehihim wosono empai wosono emumbu anase sumbu ani nyina no aye Qualitac kan bepau se tu se ne yesi wu frama ye cleaning anase polishing aye teeth whitening and abesawo ye ni nyina no Qualitac kase omo patase wo mo Vegas and a bank so 0538 250078 Qualitac Dental Clinic and so abajoso meza
fancy interestingly stadium ni issues now keeps on continuing but and stadium ni issue now continue no be sha se dey free takwa ene ehun sensema eboboba I already knew say some of these things and concerns will be raised, especially looking at the investment. Etimaya takwane ni enclave etimenya such a magnificent edifice. Sebebuamo mo football etimye tumpon. Maintenance of the stadium no. Why I said keeping the stadium clean. And it's on your marketing kitini nyina no. Why and the was session in somebody timidi se adwumadi no. Daniel Diki no ehye NSA for nsano. The whole mindset ni bibia ne assumption ne kasa ni bibia sounding na ne se bibia wo say NSC ne timi yedai because ye de safo na yedai ama NSC fo but in reality NSC na kasa so stadium na kasa fees ye ko lunch na di how many days and how many months fancy di Maria what must say enyan do 3 months kra be bro 1 month be enyan do 3 months enyan do 3 months 2 months kra enyan do 2 months enyen ndru ye no baby leaky center begina baby pitch ne baby so she fancy for the first 3 months to 6 months ade ana mehwehwe ani move from this said matter ne say there is going to be a joint arrangement to make sure say afani me anu nyina no fe go fail so say MCO say assembly o say the NSC no in sabeko na in saba no matimi dia maintaining your marketing kitibi till say ebegina na so no magani nyina mu dia ma NSC because MC na kasa ahase ne me yete ase say omunya bibia fam more the NSC no so omunko na enye se wonye sa de na ice wakwakoto TV na fancy TV na wakwakoto no TV no after 1 month odi ko fie no na ase baby akwakote kakra ananse odi ko fie no video card ne baby wire bi akwakote oton ne mu no what dey mention ase no wo de be ko shop na de akọ shop na nipa na oton TV na ma wo no kra na catch us say ye ni say an ebe dey ebe bo asenya no nkwa ne kakra na no be che kra na obo na be hunu kwa mo be fa so mo betimi abo ama baby a TV no problem wo no matimi ayedai motimi asolve. That is what I'm expecting it to happen at Watakwa TNA Stadium. Ye to mo foka che mo say ye ntina se nhwe e ma mo nye stadium ni se de mo fi se mo pe. And we are being very honest with this. Ye ntina se enhwe masade we enkoso a mafoforo we se so mbese. And I share the sentiment with the MC, and there are political affiliations towards some of these things, and there are gains. Obi anim se stadium we ehun won kwan a obi aso ben obi aso betimanya bi, but the mesre takwaman ene mpanyifo amo takwa ne se mo ne NSA fo ni nyina nkambom.
Well, since ya de minya no se Samatex akwakodro Morocco o touch da ya miase.
Enti yesre wo mo omunya abotre na omun kambom. No mo solve this issue no enfenfrio any 2 months any 3 months yempe we yetimi yempe we akame yempe we ya we ba ko gina ba bi na we aba be yesei ana we aba be som sei ana we yempe saade no fancy yempe kasabe. At the end of the day is the football teams or the footballers who go there that are going to suffer. On stadium antokwa bia wo hu bia ta tumu safo wo yebetum yemfa safo ane mo bia wentimi nkobo we se safo no we ho we se safo no we ho anwe kro bia so ba kobo ne safo a. We don't want any problem.
All can who say, oh, my picture nanda so it will there be the previous picture now all the way. It will take a collaborative effort to effectively run this facility. Assembly in ana NSA no nkwan so ntumi nye TNA ho enkomo ene issues about me na was me running no enye nne na sha
so far matches on my ball it
is even minim there one it is even before Kese the time as the MC time a Kese na nkasa oye mediama spokesperson no ne kasa de ma mediama no na there were issues with TNA Park enti enye nda go fields for baby entina all of a sudden assembly na yes it is something that dates way back but the issue is won't die be na share hono Osha Stadium ni ya yenti a me be mu ne ya me pese me twen ya adresi e dan bi na share hono ya boss apano that was the former way hono ne air press conferences ni ade TNA Park no baby a stance no ne ejina ho yellow stance ne etnase ko I say koko into tenaso into etna form na baby a yatro TNA no ye ginagina ho ye the inner perimeter na je say coach ade wako wa into nim enti sa dan nim na teams no or more changing rooms match officials changing room next row ho no ye the press conference na the offices wo NS na na running no credit or ha oka ohunyehi but the NSA as at the time they were running were having serious issues. And the time a park cry no more to me and running. And it took interventions from companies and individuals. Moses Amanankasa Sika, the stadium way park in that. Most park and Ankasa Sika, the park no. And sana some companies at a point in time also came. When na busho be desi way. First no now ma to all afa ya to break wall. Na fu imra. The NSA could not manage it. So omo say you betimi aye they can't. They need to collaborate with the assembly and then do things accordingly. Assembly no will be responsible for security, they will be responsible for people who will clean it. And then we don't just need a leadership of the NSA. We need a committee that will run this facility. A management committee sort of. A joint effort of ABA assembly in Peba. NSA the Nipeba, and then other opinion leaders at the Omuni Peba, even Go Fields Foundation, Crabbe to the Omuni Paba, or more forming a committee that runs it. Mujai is no no. So who jai TNA because I know how peculiar the Takwa environment is and the Takwa weather. In so and 20 way, what's almost more brains you. Almost a day no more committee in Takwa. It is true. In so who are they? Insuo hu aden pa
do no
omo say o dey obi free the RSD no regional director no we free takwa dey abatakwa onim takwa you will need the locals to thrive adwuma na ye no person ekoyia so oni assembly na nkan bom no mo betwema nso a fancy this stadium it might suffer a worse state than Esipon intimidi akomi ha ya adwen
wow
say was o mo kan bom. So man can woman to an amona a takwa for nebebre. I know Anna insure to takwa ye 2 a.m. near 2 p.m. 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Takwan Sudano and you're reliable do any better. So ye rain harvester and a water harvester and suta a bit me actually be now store underground the best supply insure to the facility. But you need a constant water supply. Liais, come on. Maybe he feels he was not recognized during the commissioning. Because commissioning in the your first sports minister no more presentation in the NSA director. But I think they should have also given some kind of relevance to the assembly. And maybe I afraid the MCE near afraid the NSA director near the way they are short monsa. No marane. That should have been the case. Now, Jai say, fancy emfa, it won't work. The assembly cannot run it alone. Kese, any the Takwan Sway Municipal Assembly, or moon to me running a year the TNA stadium, or moon to me. Sansuna endless and soon to me running mom. Even a bedroom stage beer. The companies are more mining our Takwan, all those Go Fields Foundation, GMC, Anglo Gold, did you approve? All the other mining related companies on water kwano e was so mutimi creative fund bi na omo mining si come be bia at least omo ntwa mu kakra enfan to say ye the way neighbor say na be ye de be run TNA stadium And all the mining companies can come musical the boma near the Abua set up a management committee. Him for no traditional car, Pinto traditional council. No,
was say the main producer the ban say breaking. Mamin kind was say the National Sports Authority, that is the NSA, has threatened to close down the Takwa Stadium after the misunderstanding between the NSA and the Takwa Nswaye Municipal Assembly.
This position is even wrong. In issues like this, we mediate, we don't threaten. We mediate, we don't threaten. Omoye attempt. So Omoko close the stadium now. It will be mayhem in Takwa. I'm telling you.
Na stadium na yomodia.
Fancy. They say NSA make attempt. So Omo close the Takwa stadium now. And it will be mayhem. Takwa. And the most sensible option, in my opinion, I might be sounding harsh here, but permit me to use it. The most sensible option is to mediate. Oh, meaning I didn't see. Sabe kasi no any power on your monster on chili power. Approach. Let's talk. Let's dialogue. Or go to Mrekuduka. Unya Takwa MP when ya kesi ewie. Mrekuduka ne ba ne kesi. Mrekuduka played a part. Stadium where there baba in Mrekuduka. He was on the board of Goldfields Foundation. Okay. Influencer talks. You see a dear way. So Peobi, I'm was settle stadium who wish you are. I am Rekuduka now close stadium there. Let's say commode omudi abesho monatemejane. I'm telling you,
the posturing of the NSA is so annoying.
Fancy.
So annoying.
Because I know stadium way. As a dynamic no. Me holding me hostage for about 3 hours now.
Okay.
And dynamic say you holding me hostage for police car na DBPA. Me say if NSA threatens the people if they use aggressiveness, I heard they will be met with more aggressiveness. Go with a softer tone, approach them to mediate and solve issues. Now, remember, I will threaten to. Hey, come over, Johnny.
Fancy, me might share the same sentiment. NSA Stadium Ninya Modia. There's this level of arrogant posture by the NSA. I mean, to the Bia, Okocha. There's this level of now with Okocha.
Two yardena, oh yardena, pen for catch or say Jawunya. Nadia Assembly. It doesn't know. Oh, microphone and you're on. Only by my yellow film. I didn't know where am I pong? Where am I pong? No, nay, one is what to wine. Mr. Mamini Campament here for a very unfortunate Tibia. Oh, you West Binase, and Yamadam Mr. Fanche. Okocha, there should be sunny too on the show, Mr.
Okocha, so only maybe a free bar, but yeah,
maybe a free bar on cow. What is I know the Bruno Quidi for? His own boys, young mems, I want to go me. Mezakas Kamasama, and no coach on Casa. Obisim Rekuduka and Sabianim.
There's Sabianim.
Study stadium.
Fancy, see, I don't.
Oh, fancy those things. Let me say this.
Adam Rekudu can belong to political party.
Oh yeah, Takwa and Swayem MP. Oh yeah, MPP. But I am telling you on record.
And also do your presentation and stop the politics. Your friend who is
doing politics?
But I'm telling you for a fact.
Who's someone that Anglo good board and so.
Maybe I need baby free. But me, so di Takwa Nkoma. Matna.
I saw the one.
I am much more of a Takwa person.
Yeah,
I'm telling you for a fact. If you know the number of lobbying and the role played by Mrekuduka.
And it's an Mrekuduka and send you got MC in the Koyamo yesterday.
As MC is the MPP I'm even hearing of the news. Say Yankumo Dim no one say in Central Jumadia, you will remedy in Common Yahoo de Echo. Say Majid Bawa. Anya Denebabe acting Director General of the NSC. You see?
I'm Rekuduka Black. Okay. Well, Mammy, you honorable receive time and on my handing over.
Sports, the National Sports Authority, and the Municipal Assembly will work together to ensure that we maintain this facility to the best of the people. Thank you. And Nanano and
Bobion.
Shall I take it from the top?
We are officially handing over this facility to the government of Ghana. Please take good care of it.
On behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, I received this key and this facility on behalf of the people of Ghana, and I promise Goldfields Ghana Limited that this facility will be put to good use. We are going to work, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the National Sports Authority, and the Municipal Assembly will work together.
The Sports Ministry, the National Sports Authority, Municipal Assembly. Sports. The power couldn't me run the way. It won't come na Majid Bawa Sema Metiti. Shadie Sabi. Your chroma say quite fast why you take decisions. A fire and penny for be momo bedi adibi anymno. We are not here to attack any individual. Let me put it on record for straight time. We are not here to, but it's about the competency of the Pakoni Jumedi position now or the manamo or better now Jumedia or Babidi. Make case should be nobody and a better now no mababe politics MPP ni this waha. We are here. Sir, Yababe di Ghana football unko money ago kensi unko mo said the baby to me jina yinesi.
Are the NSC out
it is over. NSC now more pre-improvement no. Majid Bawa as acting National Sports Authority Director General. It is over.
Now so what that?
Enye
say.
Now so what enye. It is ordinary but
in charge. No in charge.
Me say enye. Literally the NSC nipa running NSC near Majid Bawa. Let me say this today.
How?
There is a Director General at the NSA, but nipa or running NSA no. Me say Majid Bawa.
And I'm say how?
Fancy. Let me put this. Let me come in this way. The Chroma say the choir faswa. Yama penny-phobic positionings. Oh baby no. One way or the other is highly influenced by close alliance or relationship with people. Majid Bawa ministry ni aware in terms of an appointment in the NSC. He was actually planted there. Say, onre dwumadi ni nyoma ekoso wo NSC. Na onhunu ko no so befa so a ebi ombetimi aboama ne omatimi ayedai etimi akoso. In terms of adwinti a yede ne call the NSC no, it is not bad. Because if the ministry wants to get someone onu ne closer to the minister, any penifo sports ministry
one of what Dubois Chigakrafa.
What did they mention as no? To be at the NSC, there is no problem with it. What am I say? At least obetime lazy kakra bibi koso obetime brief the ministry near there. But for some time now, in terms of onuni dwumadi na wadi as deputy NSA director, and then nkomodi ne kasa ye bi ne nyoma bi atimi aba abonten no. Fancy, ye nyina ye de tumi se o deserve se wo so to aso ana. Ninipa na ne head no, ye ni se onfiri wono mo mfanko.
Sompa Sports.
It is the whole system and the whole structure at the NSA that needs a revamp. Debi asase mo ye tena ha ye ka. It is not about individual persons at the NSA. And Majid Bawa is part of the system. What NSA? So excluded. He is part of the system now. What NSA now? Am I a pitches near new money a bibia maintenance coach? New man kitty bibia basa. So why do you take one out? Then you replace him with Nipa on the same system. Bawa
didn't confirm that.
Fancy.
acting adwuma bawad men ha ho kra na e fokra sa adwuma de we de fa obi doubt sa bawad we be and then I don't believe baby on the pan free but due to the alliances of power someone from the sports ministry who have come there on only catch us Angola the born on we man you don't respect Ghanaians kasa baby obefu an baby anye you are part of the corrupt system at the NSA and in your man mo ya ama system no ye hunu so faso Ghana for hunu so faso
entire
the whole system is poor.
It is entire NSA structure. No? You see, the politicization of the NSA is actually an issue. Even the right person, the neighbor CCA, the same system will sabotage the person. Among NSA staff, anyway, the all allegiances and alliances to Ebimo Motesoni Ebimo Ayeyo Momoko. To Okofo before Frobano are being cry, the system will sabotage you. Minya time on but me ma briefing kakra bi on the Cape Coast.
We am about ho. Sir.
Cape Coast, Sandra, there was a meeting in Accra. No more yes, CCA no. Kumasi so moka so mo ba be CCA ni adwuma so mo ye na. It might not be ready for Ghana versus Sudan. So there was and what is the next available option because Accra Sports Stadium and your pitch in Nko, there is also a sewage system that needs revamping. And Cape Coast was suggested as the next now we no more skirmishes in Seattle sprinkler machine are sounds to the good park so in you and now omobo Cape Coast no mo didn't come on say enti e be ne den ana omoko peja letter calf for the bread the GFA to the sports ministry time and dreams ni mediema yes on beko Africa no last year in October ana calf this letter ne by say kwata mediema ni dreams o metimi aba high qualifiers omoko group stage now omunya baby mbote so mbebo Kumasi intendo yi mediema from Cape Coast to Kumasi dreams the same thing good now fancy so what should the ekoso ya I want everybody to go and refer to the calf letter the bread yes and fancy say Sadak made ma no pay so betimi afato so mai see it me out just one page pa okay you will come and continue tomorrow and on Saturday date, October 30, 2023. Dear General Secretary, reference to the CAF Stadium inspection conducted in Ghana to assess the current status of a Cape Coast Stadium. Kindly find below the decision on the aforementioned venue. Cape Coast Stadium, not approved. No mutroni na eduguasie. Now, Sir Skoli Koda, Shada Skoliman and Kokra, will get to where the recommendations and a Juma, I was almost what
is Skoliman and recommendations on my
Pepran Yebetimaya Yenye, NT. Now, pitch and surrounding areas. The pitch is currently not in playable condition. It has many undulations, bumps, and footholds. There are also many undulations.
Many time
There are also several grass types growing on the pitch. The field of play has many different species of grass, and other species are not football grass. Consider removing completely. Three.
There's a grass free.
Consider removing completely the pitch and install a new natural or hybrid grass. Total reconstruction of a pitch is required. Recommendation is to hire a professional company to assist with the pitch installation and maintenance.
So let by last
October. So what is sports minister no? Omo the PPB command the president of Ghana said omo pe hybrid grass are free bar, but they had this from 2023. And then I finish my back to one amount. So penny Emma Mofrane we nanka. Yebu nanka we for can say penny in the num day.
Whoa. Nakeba clinic me bo coach or nak Dr. Usu can come on with Jana Mujakua Wumsuna Fee or no area saw ya ring to say we will be hepatitis A B and as a B and C also diabetes or pressure and also liver no kidney or problem a man mania fibroid a best surgery no Dr. Semen cancer se branya de sekan ebe kan sexual wayemre o ye bema modern ball and so ekọ from abomodian so beba Dr. Usu can come ewa Asia Brim or by Phil Cranes on my pen abenya no 0599 311 311. Jans toothpaste and Jans toothbrush. And also the brush with teeth. Ubenya Jans total care. Jans whitening and a Jans hair bar. Nimi and saying, no, Dobe Tobia Ebeya Jumama or Num Ebesham. Was Senny Benyana Chase. Nenimunyama Fay. The tennis I will gum Momo brush mutita. Yana Monse Moja from Mosia se banning and Ebejai. Na Monso Mate Mohokama Fe U Numunsuo. And I say, Udia was say Femo. Sunny Money in an Ebeko brush no. Yawo chese prince and a princess and a duke and a duchess ni nyina na ewo ho a chese okọ aye jazz asua wonsa enso ebeka bi pebito ewo dwaso anya na nso ajo de no nso kama e de from yes okọ cha bibia e find there
boko di maria net say na
kasapra won final kan de okọ
na kure nka me yate afa so but me pass je for acho na abufu na wosoro because asem bi wo ha na eya abufu nti wo kana wanya abotra hwe ya na wakoka asem bi a ni kwan se woka tiatifo mfa ncha mi ebi nsi bi me da se wa me sa kwanya me hwe se tiatifo nso de acha mi na esa ye ni se fo de odi o ma chi a sa wan hwe kra be ka asem bi wo wa na abechi wakotum di maria me da se wa ma me kwanya se me mfa kotoko asem betu dwa kakra me ba hwe ha cha kakra aja ba ha se de awo ye nti wa yimi ama hwe ne wafuye ayatotwe sika nko anzo mami ni o de anya hwe di maria
Sompa sport time na so
dia sana okay
dia sana me
di maria na 12 abo
and I had 12 more also makwama de oba na
okay and de ma me
time aso me
di ma we de mesre wa we de
say me ma time now de now wada na ka de ope
so say me de chia o nti ma na chia
me je so manye so
o de ma me 3 minutes
dabi unsan kire me time a o
nti me wasa
na me de ma nti na me so time aso
dabi we de so say ka ma ba grand kai
so korogo nti na ba ya o so e de hia wi ansa na wa
say afi na duru so bibia wa na me so ngafo na kai nti Mohammed ni na me nya quick.
Oh, 2.
Okay, thank you. Maria, nyame ya adoma Sunday. Obia ni meze kotoko. Ye kosi akan. Ye feel so much away from home. Na aja anything for adawromanti baba ya ro matum. Ene di ani akire oboase. Ye twere koma club lance ball for no mo approve amaye. Nti ye first match ye home nanka ni nsu atre. Ena nsu atre ko ball mu Africa no. Nti ene ya outstanding. Nti ye ne yon apostles a mu furu wenchi. Na me ya adoma Sunday ewo Oboate Lencrest Sports Stadium. Na se ni obi ani me no kwatoko de ye wodom. Nti ya arrangement basis ye de beko. Na basis no locations ni nipa wodan ni. In and out plus we take it. Amamfu ntie ni ye ba ha na hia me pa in and out plus take it. Sister Ghana cedis from here to Obuasi. Utu sister Ghana cedis na we take it kan o lord fair kan.
Oh nice. Basis na mo de ko.
Yes, basis na de ko no. Ayalolo basis. Na nyame adom nyanya baako 9.
O se ni nyina bomma
2 eko take Pokupan tertiary phone.
Oh okay.
Yama Pokupan tertiary phone 2. And I abaka 7 and ya to apeti o se kurum ene ne mbontin so. Enti first a year ebeye ya abuakwa ebegina atwema mponua rural bank na anim ho.
Okay.
Na nipa oda no a obesani usika amano no ye fe ne kwabena asamwa. Abuakwa ne environment abuakwa manhia akuropon ne ade ne nyina nti obefre sa number we 0244 650767 0244 650767
Sompa
friend kwabena asamwa abuakwa fo no mesra wo sene ensene sister cities no ye ne sister one Ghana cities.
Okay.
Because all the sisters in the baba ya konta ntu sene sister one okwakoyi ebete oba enso ya beka se bia watwatwobo enso ne wontwatwobo na MTV na twatwobo no nti ye ne sister one Ghana cities no yin sister cities ne papepe. Second ayi a ebai atonsu da atonsu blue way ka ne begina blue way atonsu ne woda na efe TK Donko Asante regional organizer. Frame number we 0240 616265 0240 616265 TK Donko friend atonsu ene ne mpatam mo baas no mo coordinator no. Third one Joso for yamamu bi ne oda mo ano Emmanuel Ankra fresa number we 0533 877-469. 0533-8777-469. Ankra. Joso kwamo ene sa dwabe ne efidiase for no mo leader no mo mfrɛ no na mo ndwe ne bass no. Third one 44 kajetia ebegina Hello FM anim ho. Hello FM anim ho. Ehɔ na ebegina. Mo mfrɛ Alex Ajay. Dodo na afrɛ bo for abusansos coordinator. Enti mo mfrɛ no 0242 120065. Abuakwa Alex Ajay Hello FM. Stadium bakubegina stadium. Stadium ni order no Prince Frimpong on in charge of stadium. The number is 0541 771180. Last but not the least, Genius Abrim and Abu Sorry. Yaw Sapon. No, Yaw Samson rather. Yaw Samson. Monfred 0558154759. Last one.
Oh, I am so my family course. That one so what Bobby me catch you. And to both one. My boof na me new film prekwe.
Police station ho ne order man e PK Sapon. Mon frère sa number we 0244 06 7072.
Well, your phone call 0551931931 0548931931. Hello, caller.
Yes, God.
Opening, it's you.
You cancel the anti God. You do chow papa PFE.
Too bad, Mr. Ryan Fowl for hello. Too bad, and yet. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, yet you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Opening yet you.
Fancy.
Yeah, yet on yet you.
Fancy, let's say, you are as a thing. You see, what? I choose no fair. In Shatramai, some test more young apostles. So be our more son of the nations when they were in the studio. Francis Tagana in and out. A year never yet day. Yeah, I don't to Condia, Yabako, the best second to Yam soon in the studio to be. So they have a more personal, or more musical in Gusan. With Narcos of Potitino. And I say, Yenia Karamogoy, Nakopo Fan, and we are 7 starting the year. Yen Yakawa, okay, what's on our said, Yakupo one by Panda. That's only a way you are.
Hi, hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Opening Manasuma, Mr. Wadaro Mawa, any bread, Mr. What's my line? Well, hello, caller. Oyibo it's you.
Oyibo national me the word wadwato. Mami mama baso. Na once na me catch us nyawo samako. Omwenyi so mu fa hack ni twinken. Na ya youth no yam na member party no. At the house of folk, you just say abai e bebo. Madi just say turn wa bonti say. Somebody just say ba, we see 300 cedis. We will be free account and you see 3 million. 3 million, I guess I'm my resource papedio. I can't start in the game. Now we are too much if we move back on a mobile draw. I can't bet him say, you better just any camera. Mamu, go on move by and ye. Mamu just a idea 3 million. Yes, no, so. O man, just any so. Just any back at them.
Your phone for hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, opening your Josie at you. Mensa ain't you.
I was a crone woman that said, Momanka in Eugene, I have worked on Nakru, yes, I progo.
Now, Cronier,
yes, I progo.
Oh, what a
Massa. Once you were friends on colleague Baku Casa, will say, Unjai, Namunjai Casano. Mama Crone, you. Because I didn't end no can no enka no makasi kroni ngai ne koka
yako depending atom mo aja me colleague ba ko aware obroni bi o say population 33 point something million na nkofo awo ma se bedwam ye o fa ne se o 200 no mo mako shemra ma ye nga ye 30 something million no faso be na also ya dwinsa ko ne ewu ne ya dwinsa nkofo ni din kwase mo men kan so mo din kwase mo din kwase mo di ene Ghana e bobo match pe ye hu be bi ko match yeni ni wutira media asem ni eto but man nko no bi ma
enya sakra ha obeto bomb na manya asem hello yes sir
hello
openi yeti o
Pato, good morning.
Yeah, Joso.
Pakuwe.
Adum.
Pato, mkaza Tamale.
Okay, yeti o kasa.
Pato Tamale, sports stadium. Pato mwana monka wase.
Sao.
Enya piano, yipi ya bo Premier League, wo Tamale. Yeti ya Carrera United na wahane so. Ote kamo Tamale, kwa ilegu ana kobo league. Yana Premier League na wasa obaba mye ni ye dia sho Tamale no. Tamale chop da kona ilegu. Ejirenta akra. I have to focus about Isirima. Was here about Tamale. How many hours? I thought was there chum I could do na ilegu.
Oh. Say the okasa oka. Opening is a mwana munse kro de ayasebo wo happy birthday to Kwamina Kodia aka say Obama who UK and birthday Obama yeah we show happy birthday going out to Ifa Amankwa Lorita who broken way Mercedes and Mercedes say yeah we show what point way 2 in 2 no Mercedes ban anu yes wa wish me nti Lorita na wa Mercedes and we show what pa happy birthday going out to Caroline away from Billy, marketing executive. Say, yeah, we show happy birthday. Yeah, you see, yeah.